I kind of want to learn Mr. This guy.
I want to learn this guy.
Thor?
Thor. Big Daddy Thor.
Thor, hear my command.
Another loser to punch.
Lightning can fight. I am barely wounded. I require healing. One-man castle tower. Destroy it. Slow down.
Fuck up. Right down over. Oh, we ran out of teammates.
Slow down. Twas but a scratch.
They're behind us.
My power grows.
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
Thor.
Where? We are in the sights of a sniper. Behold the god!
What the fuck is this
Are we gonna
piece
play
of shit?
more Tekken 7?
Hello, your computer has virus.
I finish what you began. Slow down. I'm halting.
This is how
Oh.
Knows return to power. Enemy approaching. Fantastic! Someone shooting at us.
Niche was great.
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
Cool.
Waken the rage of battle. Twas but a scratch.
I have a widow.
I busted up the puncher.
Don't let anything stand in your way.
I'd rather.
Approach not the nest of spiders. Lightning can fight. Behold the god of thunder!
Double KO.
Thus I
Cool. I'm 15 and 2.
So this is like Noah's
Twas but a
cheese.
scratch.
Talk about dark.
So close.
Yummy.
Not eating.
Faster. There we go.
Cool. Nice.
Epic victory. Big win. Against the wall. Mission area. Keep going.
You're ready for action.
Stand aside, worthy adversary. 'Tis but a scratch.
Get up.
You're welcome.
Behold the god of thunder!
Together,
I'm gonna come.
Storm, you're ready for action.
A living legend indeed.
I'll patch you up.
Oh, they spotted us.
I'll be ship-shaking no.
I'm healing. I'm trying to heal.
This is real firepower! Oh man, I gotta make another beacon?
Much better.
Aw.
Behold the god of thunder!
You're welcome.
Help me! Help me!
We'll finish this, Aurora. From one storm to another.
You're welcome. I'll be ship-shaking This is real firepower! You're ready for action!
Double KO! Control C!
I just got more dangerous?
Raise a toast in celebration.
Hostile
I
forces
was-
incoming. Relay!
I don't know what I was.
It ain't cheap. I'll be ship-shaking no.
Okay, yeah. What's my? I should use it to just refresh dashes.
Together to victory! Oh, someone scratch my back!
Oh, I got one shot by Hawkeye. Watch out, Hawkeye. Get the Hawkeye up top. Hawkeye up top.
Past the halfway point.
I'll patch you up.
That's much better.
I just got more dangerous?
Oh my god, I can't even focus the healing.
I'll patch you up.
I am ready to put on a
This
show!
is real firepower! Don't mind me. I'm just
Us against the world!
You're ready for action.
Any healing is good here.
I'm extra weak. I could eat for the day.
Very nice!
That's vibranium's true power. Not too many things impress
Never
me.
miss!
Storm, Brick Teeth Clark and impress.
I see them. You rode the light.
Nice, just hold it.
I'll patch you up.
Nice, good job. Hard. Also, hold his auto. Left click his auto, charge it up, and then you'll unleash it. That's pretty much all you need to know.
No, his right click is.
Yeah, right clicking though. Yeah, hold it up. It's very fun to use, by the way, if you just know the aim. Very fun ability. Thank you a lot, Ranner.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Guys.
I shattered the arc.
Gather around!
Kind of wasted ult. Killed her.
You can't defeat the wind and thunder. You needed to
I know that aunt needed that, thanks. Get up, I'm not done. Time to drain.
Let's keep fighting until we have a winner.
The moon!
Oh, nice. They got out. Well played by them.
Faster now.
Surrender your strength.
Ah, we got swallowed. Whoa.
We are undefeatable.
Oh, I thought anybody was healing me. My bad.
It's okay. Admit it.
Nice. Next round.
I am mighty.
I gotta remember to use his E in those close spaces like that.
My power grows.
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
Cool.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum. Double kick.
Why won't you die?
Ah, fuck. I got swallowed.
Help me! Help me!
Oh, I died.
Freaking, this is fantastic ult. You just gotta get out of there. I hate that that's what that ult is. Just
Mr. Fantastic.
I mean the healer ult. It'll just you can't kill us.
Oh, yeah. I find that kind of, yeah. Oh, guys, come on. You need to keep healing me.
Armed and dangerous. Behold.
Oh,
Oh yeah! We can help you achieve your direction, baby.
Cool.
Another epic victory. Big win.
Lots of damage blocked. Yeah, baby. 15 and 2. That's what you get. Good game.